How's it? Sean from Mel's YouTube book site, YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about intuition and inner awareness is the pearl of wisdom's hidden esoteric truth in plain sight. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel. It's free, and also make sure you hit the notification button so you can get updated on all our future videos. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started. Pythagoras stated evolution is the law of life, numbers is the law of the universe, and unity is the law of God. The mind is the basis of reality and is the domain of frequency in the material fabric of the world. Pythagoras taught that everything in nature consists of three parts. Man himself has three planes of life, each governed by its own principles. Man is a threefold creature, having spirit, mind, and body. Likewise, every system has a first, middle, and last part. Alright, so Pythagoras encouraged meditation amongst his students and followers. Seek inner awareness and understanding. Know thyself. The mind is the basis of reality, the dimension of frequency of the material fabric of the world. In meditation, your higher self connects you to the insight of the frequency that is surrounding you. Leaving behind any preconceived opinions and be open to truth and true purpose, the right answer comes clothed in a feeling of peace, a sense of knowing. Thus, from inner awareness comes forth understanding that makes the way clear for you. Jesus said, "A man who knows everything else but does not know himself knows nothing." When you know yourself, you will know the secrets of the universe and God. Jesus said, "Blessed are those who are persecuted within themselves." By reflecting honestly and fearlessly within themselves of what and who they are, their spirit within will grow. Personal evolution is our progress along a path in total harmony with the vibrational mathematical law of the universe, a never-ending journey along the infinite road towards perfection, and is the primary path which we must evolve before we undertake further progress in life. In the Gospel of Thomas, he states, "Before a tree can bear fruit, it must grow in strength and maturity, and so it is with human life. Only through meditation in seeking inner unity of thyself will you enter the absolute perspectiveness of yourself. Only then will God consciousness be revealed and achieved." To think that the vibration of an inner thought that came into being created all mankind and the universe, a magical happening that created all planets and stars and you in the universe, one should be shocked and wary of your own thoughts and realize the vibrational power that rides behind a thought. God of all creation is neither darkness nor light, free from dimensions and planes, but master of all that exists, one with all and all with one. In the beginning came a thought, purposeful and all-pervading, that filled the void, and in the thought grew the law of time. Alright, so then like a potter, God pummeled and molded his clay of darkness, creating pure light energy to expel forth. A spark transformed into form, and out of the clouds of smoke the planets were brought into being. Out of nothingness the invisible became visible, and what came forth from the light came life into thee, all life expanding and contracting. Initially, human souls existed as the oneness of the spirit, and as the process of physical incarnation developed, souls descended more and more completely into the experience of physically manifesting reality, which at the time required a separation from the realm of spirit. This separation, it said, was necessary for a time, so that souls could experience the fullness of individuality and the complete immersion into physical manifestation. The Old Testament, as you know, is of the 5 books of Moses, which consists of 3 parts: the Torah, the teachings, Nevi'im, the prophets, Ketuvim, the writings, and are called by the acronym Tanakh, hidden codes in numbers, hidden meanings, and hidden messages, all only to be deciphered by those who qualify in its understanding. Seeking knowledge, looking within. We all have the eyes to see and the consciousness to know. Look within and become aware of your spirit within you. Fortunately, more and more people are realizing this and are discovering it is the most rewarding thing they can do in their life. Once you know what you know, only a fool would depart from it. As we seek to unite with our Creator, we shed one by one the cloaks of imagery we have dressed in, and represents how we choose to appear in the world. As the cloaks fall away, the growth of our real selves emerges, revealing the beautiful psyche. Alright, so the core of our personal universe, our raison d'etre, we are no longer seeking excuses, blaming others, or denying our personal responsibilities. We have grown in discovering and knowing our true selves within. Alright, so that's it for this video. Alright, so please like this video, please share it, and please subscribe to our channel. It's free. And also hit that notification button so you can keep updated with all our future videos. Alright, until our next video on numerology, this is Sean from Mel's YouTube book site YouTube channel. Good day on you.